On five, you are the world's greatest dancer. On five, you are the world's greatest dancer. On five, you'll hear the music. You'll hear the roar of this audience of your fans, wherever audience the way you applaud them when they get into it. And you will get up and you will show them the moves that made you the world's greatest professional dancer. You are hot and sexy, that's a given, but all your clothes stay on. Every last article. On